Over the past decade, China has transformed itself into a global titan of engineering and construction, unveiling machines so advanced they seem pulled from science fiction. From colossal bridge-building giants to autonomous farming fleets guided by satellites, these innovations are redefining what humanity can build and how fast we can build it. What makes these machines so extraordinary? How did they push beyond limits that once seemed impossible? In this video, we're counting down 8 of the most astonishing engineering marvels developed in China. Stay with me until the end, because the final one might completely change how you see the future. Number 8. SLJ 932. Nicknamed the Iron Monster, the SLJ 932 is a 91-meter-long, 580-ton mechanical giant that looks like a steel centipede crawling across the skyline. This machine played a crucial role in constructing the legendary Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, a 55-kilometer engineering masterpiece stretching across open sea. But here's what makes it incredible. It doesn't just help build bridges, it walks on them while building them. Using powerful hydraulic jacks, the SLJ 932 lifts and positions massive prefabricated concrete segments with millimeter precision. No giant cranes, no endless scaffolding, no massive ground crews. It advances section by section, assembling the bridge like a perfectly synchronized mechanical puzzle. Built to operate above rivers, valleys, and highways, this machine essentially turns years of construction into mere months. It's not just equipment, it's a mobile bridge factory. Number 7. The Skyscraper Building Platform. Ever wondered how China raises skyscrapers at record-breaking speed? The answer isn't magic, it's an integrated climbing construction platform. Instead of workers dangling hundreds of meters in the air, this massive steel structure wraps around the top floors of a skyscraper under construction, forming a fully enclosed, weatherproof workspace. Inside, there are cranes, elevators, storage systems, everything needed to function as a vertical factory. Once a floor is complete, the entire structure lifts itself upward using a colossal hydraulic climbing system. In just 4 to 5 hours, it rises to the next level. Thanks to this innovation, crews can complete a full floor every 3 to 4 days. It's not just building upward, it's manufacturing skyscrapers in the sky. Number 6. Jinghua. Meet Jinghua, one of the largest tunnel boring machines ever built in China. Its cutting head measures 16 meters in diameter, as tall as a 5-story building, and when it moves underground, it doesn't just dig, it devours. Weighing over 4,300 tons, Jinghua carves through rock, sand, and soil beneath dense urban environments. But here's the genius part. As it advances, it automatically installs reinforced tunnel walls behind it, excavation and construction happening simultaneously. Its laser-guided navigation system ensures perfect alignment, because even the slightest deviation underground could threaten the buildings above. It's a metal earthworm reshaping entire cities from below. Number 5. XCGM Tree Spade. In many countries, planting a large tree takes days of careful excavation. In China, they move entire forests. The XCGM Tree Spade is equipped with 4 massive hydraulic blades that plunge into the soil around a mature tree. Within seconds, they close inward, extracting the tree with its entire root ball intact, like scooping out a perfectly shaped sphere of earth. The machine then lifts the tree onto a transport vehicle and relocates it, all in minutes. Hundreds of full-grown trees can be transplanted in a single day. It's urban landscaping on an industrial scale, transforming concrete cities into green landscapes almost overnight. Number 4. Icon's Vulcan 2 3D Printer. Imagine printing a house in under 24 hours. That's exactly what Icon's Vulcan 2 is designed to do. This giant 3D printer extrudes layers of concrete with astonishing precision, constructing full-scale, livable homes while reducing material waste by up to 95%. Entire housing communities have already been built using this system. And perhaps most astonishing of all, the technology has drawn interest from NASA for potential use in constructing habitats on the moon. This isn't just innovation, it's the beginning of extraterrestrial architecture. Traditional straight lines and rigid forms are no longer limitations. Curved, organic, futuristic homes can now be grown directly from the ground. Construction is no longer assembled, it's printed. Number 3. CPG 500. China operates the largest high-speed rail network in the world, and it wasn't built by hand. The CPG 500 is a rolling assembly line stretching hundreds of meters long. As it advances, it continuously lays concrete sleepers and installs steel rails, including rail segments up to 500 meters long, in one seamless, uninterrupted motion. It can lay nearly 2 kilometers of track per day. Minimal human intervention, maximum precision. Thanks to machines like this, a nation the size of a continent was connected by high-speed rail in less than 2 decades. Number 2. Firefighting rocket system. China's skyscrapers reach heights that conventional fire trucks simply cannot access. So engineers developed a radical solution, a truck-mounted rocket extinguishing system. Using advanced targeting systems inspired by aerospace technology, the vehicle locks on to the precise window where flames are visible and launches a specialized projectile. The missile doesn't explode. Instead, it shatters reinforced glass and releases fire-suppressing chemicals directly into the burning room, accurate from hundreds of meters away. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. It's the ultimate example of adapting advanced technology to solve extreme urban challenges. Number 1. Agriculture 5.0. The image of farmers manually plowing fields is rapidly becoming history in China's high-tech agricultural zones. Autonomous tractors, harvesters, and rice planters now operate without drivers, guided by satellite positioning systems with centimeter-level accuracy. They know precisely where every seed is planted. They calculate irrigation needs. They operate day and night without rest. In flooded rice fields, robotic planters glide silently across the water, working faster than dozens of experienced farmers combined. For a nation feeding over 1.4 billion people, this isn't just modernization, it's strategic food security powered by automation. We've just explored 8 machines that redefine the boundaries of engineering, from bridge-building giants to underground titans to house-printing robots and autonomous farms. Each one challenges what we once thought was impossible. So tell me, which innovation impressed you the most? The bridge-walking iron monster, the house-printing giant, or the rocket-powered firefighting system? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more stories about the machines shaping our future. See you in the next video.